What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about ICP, which has taken a little bit of a dip, 10% down in the last 24 hours, currently valued at just over $13. So we're going to be looking at what is next for the crypto. Is it likely to pump anytime soon? Is it going to keep dropping? Over the last week, it is up 42%, and as you guys can see, yesterday or the day before, actually, with the crypto dip, it did drop down in value, recovered a little bit, and right now dropping back. And over the month, it has gained a massive 160%, which is absolutely crazy. So we're going to be looking at this prediction for 2024. How high can it go, and is it a crypto worth investing into? Can it give you a decent amount of ROI as well, and when is the best time to invest into it? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But it is getting very interesting with ICP, as it has broken up from the red zone, and right now, earlier a couple of days ago, it was about to break out into the dark green zone as well, but it has resisted. So it can go either way, but I'll get into this later on in the video. For now, let's hide this and bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. And also, on the positive side, ICP is trading above its SMA indicator here in purple, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the orange line is looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for ICP? So over the next 12 to 14 hours, so in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, ICP, according to the graph, should be fluctuating around its current price range, which is $13. However, I'm expecting it to drop down a little bit further, below $13, potentially down to about just over $12 in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, before it peaks back up in value in the next 24 to 48 hours. So at the moment, do expect more red candles. Of course, we are going to hit green candles in between as well, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side, just like how it's been dropping here. Not at that pace, but in that direction is what I'm trying to say. So an overall drop in value is expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again, in this case, we got the blue line looking bullish and the orange line looking bearish. So once again, two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So over the next 7 to 8 days, I am expecting an overall increase in value from ICP, guys, potentially heading over $15 and hitting about $16 by the end of next week is what I'm expecting. Reason I'm not expecting a major pump, because we have to take into consideration the dips that are likely to take place as well. So I'm expecting it to hit red days in between as well as green days, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. But it is going to be a minimal increase in value rather than a major pump or a major bull run or anything like that. So yeah, do expect minimal increases in value from ICP over the next 7 to 8 days by the end of next week. Moving on to the daily chart, again guys, the graph here has been very skeptical from the 30-minute chart to the hourly chart, and now the daily chart is also looking skeptical. The blue line is looking bearish and the orange line is looking bullish. So once again, both the lines are going in opposite directions. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so let's say over the next 2 months guys, late February, early March 2024, I am expecting ICP to have gone for an overall increase in value. Heading over $23 is where I'm expecting ICP to be trading at by Q1 of 2024. So towards the end of this quarter, the crypto should be trading near about $25 or just above $25 is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Reason for that is I am expecting the crypto market to be moving towards the bullish direction, and since about, as you guys can see, let's have a look here, since about September, October time, ICP has been gaining a huge amount of value, as you guys can see here, going from about $3 to now $13 guys. That is about 300 to 400% increase, which means this is likely to carry on over the next couple of months, not at that pace, but going towards a positive direction. So it should be able to head over $25 by the end of March 2024, or it could be way higher than that, depending of course on how the crypto market performs. But if you guys want regular updates on ICP, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated as much as I can on this crypto. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the in the green zone, and yes, I'm expecting it to drop down a little bit further over the coming day and then potentially head back up to the resistance target here, which is $15 to $16 by the end of next week. And by mid to late January, we should have broken out into the dark green zone here, and February, March, we should be heading into the blue zone is what my expectations are. But every time it does hit the resistance target, do expect it to dip down a little bit, as it's previously happened as well. Is hit the resistance target, took a little dip, and a couple of days later broken out. Same happening here, it hit the resistance target, took a little bit of a dip, and it is likely to break out once again from the green zone into the dark green zone over the next couple of days. So yeah, this is my take on ICP guys. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has dropped by 27% in the last 24 hours, making it $266 million in trading, which is again quite of a dip in the trading volume. Reason for that is the value of ICP has also dropped, so not many people are trading the crypto right now. Most people are just holding back, waiting for it to move in a positive direction so that they can start trading it again. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on ICP guys. Comment down below what is the highest figure you guys are expecting ICP to hit in 2024. Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.